The universe is vast. It's a seemingly endless expanse that stretches beyond our comprehension, filled with wonders and mysteries that have captivated humanity for centuries. Billions of galaxies fill the cosmos, each one a massive collection of stars, planets, and other celestial bodies all bound together by gravity. Each galaxy holds billions of stars. These stars vary in size, age, and type, creating a diverse and dynamic universe. Many of those stars have planets. These exoplanets come in all shapes and sizes, some rocky, some gaseous, and some potentially habitable. Could it be that our planet, Earth, is the only one with life? This question has intrigued scientists and philosophers alike for generations. Or could life exist elsewhere, hidden among the stars? The possibility of extraterrestrial life has fueled countless theories and explorations. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most exciting adventures in science. Astronomers and astrobiologists are constantly seeking new ways to detect signs of life on other planets. One place that has captured our imagination is Venus, our closest planetary neighbor. Despite its harsh conditions, Venus has been a focal point for many scientific missions. Venus is often called Earth's sister planet because of its similar size and mass. However, the similarities end there. But don't let that fool you. Venus is a world of extremes, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead and atmospheric pressure 92 times that of Earth. Venus is a world of extremes. Its surface is dotted with volcanoes, and its thick, toxic atmosphere is composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. Despite these challenges, scientists are determined to learn more about Venus. They hope that by studying this enigmatic planet, we can gain insights into the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Some theories even suggest that Venus might have once had conditions suitable for life. Billions of years ago, it could have had oceans and a more temperate climate. Modern missions to Venus aim to uncover its past and understand how it became the inhospitable world it is today. By doing so, we can learn more about the evolution of planets and the potential for life in the universe. The quest to find life beyond Earth continues to drive our exploration of the cosmos. With each new discovery, we come closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? Venus is covered in thick clouds. These clouds are so thick that they completely obscure the planet's surface from view. Unlike the clouds we see on Earth, which are made up of water vapor, Venus's clouds are composed of sulfuric acid droplets. This makes them incredibly dense and reflective, giving Venus its bright, yellowish appearance in the night sky. These clouds are not fluffy and white like those on Earth. Instead, they are thick and oppressive, creating a permanent shroud around the planet. The sulfuric acid in these clouds is highly corrosive, making the environment extremely hostile. They are dense and yellow, filled with sulfuric acid. This acid is so potent that it can corrode metals and other materials, posing a significant challenge for any spacecraft attempting to explore the planet. Sulfuric acid is a dangerous substance. In laboratories, it is handled with extreme caution due to its highly corrosive nature. It can cause severe burns and damage to living tissues, making it one of the most hazardous chemicals known to science. It's the same acid found in car batteries. This gives you an idea of just how harsh the environment on Venus is. Imagine an entire planet enveloped in clouds of this corrosive substance. These clouds trap heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. This effect is so extreme that it has caused the surface temperature of Venus to soar to levels far beyond what we experience on Earth. The surface of Venus is hotter than a pizza oven. In fact, temperatures can reach up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. This makes Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. It's even hotter than Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Despite being further away from the Sun, Venus's thick atmosphere traps heat so effectively that it surpasses Mercury in temperature. The pressure on the surface is crushing. It is about 92 times greater than the pressure at sea level on Earth. This immense pressure is equivalent to being nearly a mile underwater in Earth's oceans. It's like being thousands of feet beneath the ocean. The intense pressure would crush any human-made object not specifically designed to withstand such extreme conditions. Not exactly a welcoming place for life as we know it. The combination of extreme heat, crushing pressure, and corrosive clouds makes Venus one of the most inhospitable places in our solar system. Despite these harsh conditions, scientists continue to study Venus to understand its mysteries and learn more about the potential for life on other planets. Earth and Venus have very different atmospheres. Earth's atmosphere is mostly nitrogen and oxygen. It's the perfect blend to support life. Venus's atmosphere is almost entirely carbon dioxide. This thick carbon dioxide blanket traps heat from the sun. That's why Venus is so incredibly hot. But high above Venus's scorching surface, something interesting happens. The temperature cools down in the clouds. The pressure also lessens. Could this be a possible haven for life? In 2020, scientists made an exciting discovery. They found traces of phosphine gas in Venus's atmosphere. Phosphine is a gas that, here on Earth, is often associated with life. It's produced by some microorganisms that live in oxygen-poor environments. The discovery of phosphine on Venus doesn't mean we've found alien life, but it does raise intriguing possibilities. Could there be tiny organisms floating in Venus's clouds producing this gas? It's a question that scientists are eager to answer. Here on Earth, life finds a way. We've discovered organisms called extremophiles that thrive in the most extreme conditions. Some live in the boiling water of hot springs. Others survive in the freezing cold of glaciers. Still others exist in highly acidic environments. These extremophiles show us that life is incredibly adaptable. It can exist in places we once thought impossible. If life can survive in Earth's harshest environments, could it also exist in the clouds of Venus? Section 6. Could life take root in Venus's clouds? Imagine tiny organisms floating in Venus's clouds. They would need to be tough to survive the sulfuric acid and the lack of water. But perhaps they've adapted to use these harsh conditions to their advantage. Maybe they use the sulfuric acid for energy. Maybe they've found a way to collect water from the atmosphere. It's a long shot, but the possibility is thrilling. Section 7. The future of exploration, unlocking Venus's secrets. To find out if life exists in Venus's clouds, we need to go there. Future missions to Venus will explore the planet's atmosphere in detail. They'll search for signs of life and try to understand how Venus became such a hostile world. These missions are crucial to unraveling the mysteries of Venus. They might even reveal whether we are alone in the universe. Section 8. The importance of continued research. The search for life beyond Earth is a journey of discovery. It's a journey that pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and challenges us to think differently. Even if we don't find life on Venus, every mission teaches us something new. We learn more about our own planet and the conditions that make life possible. We gain a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. Section 9. Our place in the cosmos. A final thought. The search for life beyond Earth is a search for ourselves. It is a quest that has driven humanity for centuries, fueled by our innate curiosity and desire to understand the universe we inhabit. As we peer into the vast expanse of space, we are not just looking for other forms of life, we are seeking to understand our own existence and place in the cosmos. It's a search for answers to some of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone? This question has echoed through the ages, from ancient philosophers to modern scientists. The night sky, with its countless stars and galaxies, has always been a source of wonder and mystery. Each twinkling light represents a potential world, a possible home for other beings who might be asking the same questions we are. Where did we come from? The story of life on Earth is a tale of evolution and adaptation, a journey that began billions of years ago in the primordial oceans. From simple single-celled organisms to complex multicellular life, the path of evolution has been long and winding. Understanding our origins helps us appreciate the delicate balance of conditions that allowed life to flourish on our planet. What is our place in the cosmos? As we explore our solar system and beyond, we begin to grasp the enormity of the universe and our tiny place within it. The Earth, a small blue dot in the vastness of space, is our home. Yet it is just one of countless planets orbiting countless stars in countless galaxies. This perspective can be both humbling and inspiring, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all things. The answers to these questions may lie hidden in the clouds of Venus. Recent discoveries have hinted at the possibility of microbial life in the harsh, acidic atmosphere of our neighboring planet. If life can exist in such extreme conditions, it opens up a world of possibilities for where else it might be found. Venus, with its thick clouds and scorching surface, challenges our understanding of habitability and the resilience of life. Or perhaps they await us on some distant world, waiting to be discovered. The search for exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system, has revealed a staggering diversity of worlds. Some of these exoplanets reside in the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions might be right for liquid water and potentially life. Each new discovery brings us closer to answering the age-old question of whether we are alone in the universe. One thing is certain, the universe is full of wonders, and the journey of exploration has just begun. With each new mission, each new telescope, and each new discovery, we expand our understanding of the cosmos. The quest to find life beyond Earth is not just a scientific endeavor, it is a journey that speaks to the very essence of what it means to be human. As we continue to explore, we are reminded of the boundless potential of our species and the infinite possibilities that await us in the stars.